Hi everyone, how are you doing this morning? I hope you're good. I am Mrs. Olaika, your food and nutrition teacher. Okay, welcome to the 10th week of the term. And this week we'll be looking at food additives, herbs and spices particularly. Okay, food additives, herbs and spices. I hope you're ready for today's class because we'll be learning a lot into this class. So, what are the things we are going to be learning into this class? Okay, we should be able to define additives, should be able to define or explain what herbs and spices are, and then we should be able to give examples of herbs and spices. Okay, so now let's go to additives. What are additives? They are substances that are added to food during production, processing, preparation, treatment, packaging, transportation, or storage to improve its quality, safety, or sensory qualities. Okay, so there are those substances, they are those materials that are added to food substances during production. Those additives might be added during production of food, it might be during processing, or when you are preparing the treatment, or when you are packaging the food item, or it might be during transportation so that it can last for a long period of time and not get spoiled in the process of transportation, or maybe when they are trying to store it to improve its quality. So these additives are to improve the quality of the food item they have added to and to ensure their safety and also the sensory qualities. Yes. Now we can also say food additives, like I said, they are substances. What they do, they improve appearance of the food that they are added to. So when they are added to any food item, they improve the appearance, they improve the color, they improve the texture, and the flavor, including the nutritive value, aroma, and the taste. Also, they have to preserve the food. So, like I said, we'll be looking at herbs and spices in today's class because we have a lot of additives, we have colorants and other types of additives, but in today's class we'll be looking at herbs and spices. So now let's look at spices firstly. Spices are gotten from roots or seeds of plants, yes, the buds or the bark of plants, but they had to be processed. Yes, they are gotten from roots, from the seed, or from the bark of plants, and they have to be processed before they become spices. They can be in natural form or they can be processed using chemicals or and grinded. So we have examples like cinnamon. Cinnamon is a good example of a spice. Then we have ginger. Yes, ginger is also a good example of spice. And then we have nutmeg. Nutmeg is another example of spice. Okay, so let's look at where we can find some of the spices. We have spices we know or we're used to. So we have a spice blend. You can blend your spice. You can see there. We have organic spices, and we have like I said, we have organic spices and spice blend. That means you can mix two or more spices together, and then you use it for your food item. Now let's look at herbs. Herbs are the fresh part of plants. They are the leaves of such plants as marjoram, mint, rosemary, bay leaf, parsley, thyme. Yes, they are the leafy parts, the fresh part of plants, the leafy parts. The other parts, like the roots, the bark, the seed, they are majorly used as as spices. But the leafy parts, majorly, are the herbs. So we have examples like I said, bay leaf, we have thyme, we have parsley, we have chives, and we have dill. Yes, we have tarragon as well. Tarragon is also a very good example of herbs. Yes, so herbs helps to improve our food texture, to improve the appearance, to improve the time span, the shelf, shelf life of the food, to improve the quality, and so on and so forth. So herbs are very good in our food. Now, we're looking at the benefits of additives. What are the benefits of additives? I'll give you just three benefits in this class. The first benefit is that it improves nutritive value of food. When you have had additives to your food, it improves the nutritive value of the food. Now, what is another benefit of additives? It helps, it serves as preservatives like salt, yes, salt, vinegar, even sugar, yes. Additives serves as preservatives. When you add your salt to your meat or to your food item, it preserves the food. Vinegar also helps to preserve food items like cake mixtures and so on and so forth. The same thing with sugar. And last one is it helps to improve color and appearance of food. So when you add your spices or your herbs to your food item, it helps to improve the color of the food and even the appearance of the food. All right, so let's see what we'll be able to learn into this class. You're able to know if you're following. I'll be asking some questions. The first one I'll ask is what are additives? Can you remember? Okay, good. The differentiate between herbs and spices. You know, herbs are different from spices. So can you give me just one difference between herbs and spices? Okay. All right. The top question I'll be asking us is I want you to give me examples of herbs and spices. Just three examples of herbs and three examples of spices. Okay. I'll be expecting your responses in the comment section of this video. I want to see if you actually followed the class today. All right. See you again in the next class. Thank you for joining this class. I really enjoy your company and I would love to see you again. Enjoy the rest of the day and bye.